All right, what is it? Well, that's too big. 7/16? No, it's a half. Oh yeah, definitely a half. Come on, little guy. You don't want to live there. Oh, you got no washer either? Somebody didn't love you. Oh, you do have a washer. It's just tiny. Factory? Oh, maybe. Lift her up. Pinch her in. Lift her up more. Scratch the crap out of it. No, we don't really care. Lift her up more. More in. More in. Oh, that's sharp. Oh. Yeah. Whatever. We're not using this anyway. There. Now what do we got? We need to take the caliper off. I don't know how to take this one off. Does it roll up? You just drop it with the caliper on there. Never get it to go back in. Brake line is cut. Why that's even on there. Never coming back on if it comes off. There. Nope, nothing. All right, we need a BFG. BFG. Maybe a punch. Just a... No punch? All right, we'll just use a Allen wrench. Coming out. Lift that up. A little more lift. A little more lift. A little more pull. Little more lift. I don't know. What do you want? A little more loosen. Yeah, that one's got tension on it. This axle looks dry. I mean, I guess that makes sense. Who knows when this bike is back on the road or last on the road. What is your hang up? We hate ourselves? Why don't we just take all this off? Yeah. Drop all, oh my God, there's so many washers. Drop all those washers on the ground. We don't need washers. Well, what in the devil is your problem? Oh my God, we're gonna cut this so freaking hard. Hit it with a hammer. That'll fix it. Hit it with a hammer like a baby. Do you even know how to work on motorcycles? No idea. Are you threaded in there for some reason? Like, I don't understand. Oh my God, let go. You piece of trash. Wow, finally. And she's out. That wasn't the prettiest way to get it out of there. Why don't you come out of there? What is your deal? There's a star hub. Come here, silly wheel. Oh, look, axle spacer. Yeah. I'm going to assume that you went on this side, that side. Yeah. So I don't know where you fell out of, but that was already on the ground. Ouch. Ouch. I hate it here. Facing the wrong way. You got to go the other way. Yeah. Like that. Oh, it's so much cooler already. What about this brake caliper? How do we get this off? Also, no idea. Ugh, working on stuff is stupid. I don't know what. Ow. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's go with that one and that one. Another one of these ones. Can't get in there because it's locked. There's a tool chest on top of it. There's nothing I need in it. Whatever. What are you? You're 9/16. What are you? You're 9/16. So I need a 9/16 socket. I don't know what you are. Is this a size? 5/8. It's not what we want. 9/16. 6 point. Short extension so we don't break our knuckles, and Duralast is a good one to break. We'll just break that promptly. Well, I took that cover back with me. If it's not evident, I don't have a clue what I'm doing here. I mean, I know what I'm doing. I'm taking things apart and I probably won't be able to put back together, but oh, come on now. Yeah, you don't want to stand up straight, do you? Just get me all dirty and stuff. Stay. So, stay. Oh, that's gonna fucking strip so hard. There she goes. There's one. Should have washed this motorcycle first. See if we can get it to where I want to work on it and love it and stuff, because I don't like it that much. It's ugly. And instead of making it run, we're going to swap this wheel. Oh, man. Priorities. Oh, we got to swap the wheel before we make it run. Because if it doesn't look cool, it's not worth it. That's the only thing that matters in the Harley world. Doesn't matter if it goes fast. Does it look cool? The dude's going to hit on you at the gas station. A lady's going to walk up and say, hey, that's a really nice Sportster. That's all that really matters. We don't care if it works right. Come on now. Holy crap, those are tight. Those haven't been removed since 1979. Man, that was hard. Oh yeah, this is a spacer thing. This is wrong. Axle spacing? No, we don't need that. That wheel move around in there on that axle like it was always meant to be there, but we'll just blame the AMF guys. They built it wrong. It's their fault. Is that one out of every 2 bikes being a piece of crap, you know? Would you just work with me here? Come on now. Oh, don't tell me that hole's too big. Does it have threads? Oh my gosh. What? What? We go through all that heartache just to find out. Well, we don't need no brakes. We'll just, it's a chopper. It's a chopper. We don't need brakes. It's a chopper. Brakes are overrated. I don't know what I'm doing. Brakes are overrated. So we need this thing. Go back on here. Okay, there's one. The other one. And this lock washer could probably be, it's flat. It's not doing anything. It's definitely not locking. But she ain't going to run anytime in the next year anyway. So none of that matters. What about you? You going to go back in? Can't see nothing. Oh, hey, that helps. There we go. Didn't put this back in there. Ugh. Definitely went that way. Oh, we're gonna need a big ass spacer for this. Get back in there. Yeah, there you go. Good job. Good job. Are you in all the way? You look close. Yeah, there you go. You're in all the way. Not that it matters, because this can move freely on the axle, like 6 inches, which is great and definitely not squared. All right, we're just going for cool, looking cool. Want those old guys to hit on us at the gas station. Oh, that's a nice Harley. Takes me back to when I had a Honda Kawasaki Yamaha 1902. My grandpappy told me not to get it, but I got it. And Mary Sue at the high school, she loved it. Yep, takes me back to the day. But my wife says I can't ride anymore. So I just drive around in my brand new Challenger. That's right. 9/16, 7/16, 3/4. What did I do with my half? You steal it from me? What are you doing? Well, that's a jip. But the wheel looks cool. That's it. Only thing that matters. How are we supposed to put your fender back on if we don't know where your nut is for your wheel thing? And all right, I give up. I'll go get another one. Find the tool I lost earlier. Don't have any 1/2 inch because this garage can't afford 1/2 inch sockets. I take it back. Oh, that's quarter drive. Useless. Yeah. Take it back. We found a box end wrench. Just do it the old-fashioned way. We're talking crap about those old guys at the gas station. I'm gonna do it the way they do it. One turn at a time. Because this wheel is awesome. It looks awesome. I don't know if you could tell, but it looks awesome. Yeah, and I don't know why I'm tightening on this thing this much. You can't ride it like this, but you can look at it like this. Yeah, there we go. That's fantastic. Super great. What about this brake line? Do we need that? No, because we're a chopper. We're going no brakes. Well, we can't get it out of there because it's stuck. Oh, classy. Just moving like nobody's business. Doing it the old guy way. Quarter turn at a time. Oh, there's brake fluid in there. You piece of shit. Come on. Don't leak all over the floor either. The garage is pristine. Not filled to the brim with too many things that I can't finish because I don't have the parts. Ah! Oh, there is brake fluid in there. Wonderful. Oh, I got all dirty. Just trying not to, but whatever. I guess that's the name of the game with old vehicles. Not wearing gloves like a loser. I mean, like a cool guy, not a loser. I don't care about cancer. Is this not even the same? What? Getting there. We gotta have this motorcycle ready to go to that motorcycle show in June. A few months away. Made big strides here today with this wheel that won't spin. properly. Oh, that's just confidence inspiring. I love it. I love it. Black fender, black fender. Flat black fender does not fit. It's close, needs fender spacey things. Is it close? No, it's not close. Doesn't fit at all. It's just sitting on the stupid wheel. Oh boy. Does it go out that way? No, it doesn't come out that way. Doesn't come out that way. Whoa, calm down. Calm down. Yeah, that's a good spot for you. You just stay right there. It's gonna be like a wide glide, but narrower. Come on now. Get. I know you don't like it. It's pinchy and scratching stuff. This is not how we do it, but we're doing it this way today. Just calm down. We won't do it like this in the future. Oh yeah, we gotta get this part in there. Come on, baby. It's okay. You're already scratched real good. Nobody cares what you think. Oh. How about them? How about them apples? Oh yeah. Oh, it's already looking cooler. Look how cool it looks. I know what you're saying. How can I do this? Oh, don't. It's not. This is bad. It's $25 wheel. It had a big old dent in it. No axle spacers. But hey, it's good enough for the girls we go with. Because we don't go with girls. We get hit on by old dudes at the gas station. Sweet Harley, bro. French toast, it looks cool. Or is it the fender? Is it the bolt or is it the fender? Well, I don't understand because it's the same. This is your place. This is your setup. Come on now. Right there? Is that where you want to be? Well, see, was that really that hard? Why you gotta fight me like that, huh? Why you gotta fight me like that? And you. I can at least see where you go. Yeah, oh, see, hey, look at you. First try. Yeah, first try. Where's my fingers? Man, it looks cooler. I don't know. I think we're gonna have to keep it this way. Where did that go? What did I... Just everything is just out of control. Why do I even have this sweet tool caddy if I don't use it properly? Gotta go back over here and find the thing I was screwing around with. Oh, we gotta do rear wheel too. Yeah, find out that the wheel doesn't work on the back either. I don't know why I'm not using the Milwaukee. Yeah, that old M12 electric ratchet. It's just sitting in the drawer over there. Should really plan this out better next time. Come on, girl. Over here. Give me what I want. Oh, you don't fit good on that side. Oh, wait, the wheel moves. Yeah, see? It was always the plan to not put wheel spacers in there. Makes it much easier to put the fender back on. I gotta figure out how to take this brake caliper off. Doesn't appear to be held in with anything other than sadness and tears. These were bad. It's so big. It's just single pot, giant piston. Yep, that's it. She looks great. Yeah, we'll just oh, right there. That's centered up. Beautiful. Bike's done. Built. Perfect. Love it. It's the greatest thing I've ever done. Get this. Oh, hey, look, I found the wrench. It's just sitting on it the whole time. That's cool. Put it back on the wall before I lose it again. just doesn't, I don't know, it doesn't sit right. Maybe it'd be better outside where they're not one angle. It's horrible, but I don't know. It kind of looks good on camera. It just looks too skinny, too narrow in real